On.
Yeah.
Emily,
Right,
don't screw up the turns.
What is it?
Go!
What is it? Whoa! How did she do that? Right there, I would be coughing up water. It was on fire. What is it? What is it?
Wow, that's a close race.
Yeah, William, come here. After this, let's go see by the gym, see my scores, okay? Let's go. Tell me all.
Faster, Emily!
Emily, come on!
Come on, Ems!